What's up, guys? Welcome back. So it's the new year, it's a new decade, 2020, man. So I feel like I have a lot to update you guys on just because I've been gone for like 2 weeks. You know, I did Vlogmas, which I mean, I say I loosely did Vlogmas just because I think I did 13 videos in total in December, which I am actually like very proud of myself for. I really went into Vlogmas at first like being kind of like, I don't know if I'm actually gonna do it, but then I did like kind of surprise myself with how many videos I did put out. I feel like 13 videos is a lot, at least for me, and I feel accomplished, I feel good about that. But after putting out so many videos, I wanted a little bit of a break, so that's why I haven't posted in a while, but I am happy to be back. I just want to say how thankful I am for you guys because I mean, it is a lot of work to, you know, put out videos and stuff, so I wouldn't do it unless I got, you know, a response from you guys saying that you want to see more and that you like my videos and stuff like that. I seriously read every single one of your comments and they really do mean a ton to me, like even more than you guys know. Like, you know, it takes a few seconds to write a comment, but to me, like reading them, it makes me so happy. So I do want to say that I love you guys so much and I appreciate every single one of you guys for watching my videos, for commenting, you know, all that. So just wanted to update you guys and let you guys know where I've been and everything, because I think my last video was actually the day that I was leaving to go to my hometown in Rockford, Illinois, and I didn't do any vlogging while I was in Illinois, which looking back, I'm like, dang, I probably could have done like 1 or 2 vlogs, you know, just showing the fam, showing my cat, Orangey, you know. There could have just been a fun time to have those memories, but at the same time, I really just wanted to disconnect, and I really didn't even put anything on my Instagram. Like, I was just very much disconnected from the world, which I really needed, and I was happy that I did that. So sorry that I don't have any vlogs from back home. And then in addition to being in Illinois, I actually went to Georgia for a few days with my sister and my mom and dad because sadly my grandpa passed away. We went there for his funeral, which was, I mean, it was just so great to be there with all my family, but it also was just like a sad time that we were all, you know, there mourning the loss of my grandpa. So, you know, it was hard, but it was also just like I said, it was just good to be there with my cousins, my family, my aunts and uncles, and we were all, you know, celebrating my grandpa's life together. So that was on New Year's Eve. I was actually there. But then my sister and I needed to get back for our New Year's Eve party because we had some friends coming in from out of town and we needed to be there for New Year's Eve. So we actually took a flight, just myself and my sister took a flight back home. Everybody came to my parents' house and we just had a celebration and we played games and stayed up till midnight. You know, it was a good time. So that was really good to see all my good friends. So that's where I've been for the last few weeks. And I actually just got back into town in LA, when was it? 2 nights ago? So not last night, but the night before. And then yesterday I went to Disneyland with my friend Gabby. We both have annual passes. So she like texted me, she's like, do you want to go to Disney on Monday? And I was like, you know what? I think I do, because I wanted to avoid my adult responsibilities for another day, you know, prolong that a little bit. So I got in on Sunday night and then I went to Disney the next day, all day Monday, and then today is Tuesday. And you know, it's just all hitting me now. I'm like, the fun is over. It's time to grind. And I'm just kind of like not feeling it, you know? Like, sometimes I just like literally want to slap myself in the face, but then I know it will hurt, so then I just don't. That didn't really make sense, but like at the same time, it kind of does, because it's like, dude, like, I don't know. I'm like struggling a little bit. So yeah, I have a lot to do on my to-do list, and I'm kind of, I don't know, I'm just like over everything. Let's just go to the grocery store already. Okay, so I just left the grocery store, and as a little snack on my way home, I brought these to the front of the car. I'm gonna eat one of these Perfect bars. These are honestly my favorite, like granola bars. They aren't really granola. You keep them on the fridge, so they're just like, they're interesting, but they're really good. This one is the peanut butter. I love barbecue chips, so let's indulge, shall we? I have 2 things to take to the post office, or just find one of those blue things, you know, the little tiny post office. What are they called? Need to find one of those on the side of the road, skirt on in, and just drop them off. Let's go find the tiny post office. Oh, that scared the shoot out of me. What's up, guys? We are back home things are just falling everywhere. So I went grocery shopping. I spent $100.77. I would say I love that, but like I hate that. So we're moving on. So as you guys saw from earlier, I got these barbecue chips, 10 out of 10. Just can't go wrong with those. We got some spinach, and then I got some of these English muffins. This is the Ezekiel cinnamon raisin, and I just forgot how much I love this. I used to eat this, I would just like toast it up, and then I would put some peanut butter on it, and let me tell you, this is just the perfect snack. It will fill you up. It is good for you. It is just fantastic. And then I also got these perfect bars that I ate one in the car. I got these Emmy coconut cookies, but they're peanut butter. So I've had these before and they are delightful. And then I needed some milk, and I've gotten this one before and I really like it. Actually, it's very tasty. It's the unsweetened vanilla ripple. It's like pea milk, which I just hate saying that. Pea milk, like that just sounds odd. Okay, maybe they caught on that saying pea milk was not an appetizing thing, because I swear this used to say pea milk somewhere, but now it doesn't say it anywhere. So maybe that's like a marketing scheme for people to buy it, because people were probably turned off when it said pea milk, because that just sounds not appetizing. I did get some basil. Then I got some peanut butter for these, which, you know what, I think I'm gonna make that for dinner. I'm just gonna like make that. Then I got some Parmesan because, okay, so basil, Parmesan, jalapeno, because we're gonna be making some zucchini lasagna tomorrow, so I had to pick up some ingredients. And then I got some rice cakes. Like when you buy rice cakes on purpose, you know that your life is gonna be great. You know, like you're going places in life, you're getting stuff done, like you are on top of your game. So that's why I decided to buy this, to like pretend that that's where my life is headed. I haven't had like a rice cake in literally years, but you know, I'm just trying to, 2020, you know, get back into shape. I'll let you know how that one goes. I know everybody's goal is to like get into shape, but honestly, like I'm kind of tired of feeling crappy most days. So I'm just like, okay, let's do this. Like, let's get into shape. I really want to do like a 30-day challenge. Let me know if you guys want to see that. And like, I don't know, I just want to like get outside my comfort zone, like do something, like it'd be cool. So I'm thinking about doing a 30-day fitness challenge. And then I got some tomatoes, some Honeycrisp apples, because I used to always eat Honeycrisp apples and peanut butter, and it was just the best snack ever. I got some sprouted honey oat bread. This is gluten-free. I've never tried this kind before, but it looks very good. And then I got some eggs. So this is an exciting purchase. This one looked just way too fun to not get. It's strawberry margarita wine cocktail, and like look at that packaging. It's so beautiful. You pour it over ice and it'll be good. And then I've been liking cuties lately, so grabbed some of that. This is the pricey item. I found a recipe to make with salmon, and is it just me? I just hate buying salmon because first off, like if it goes bad, then you just wasted money, and also they're just like really pricey. So this was $22. There are 6 fillets, so like it's worth it, but at the same time, I like hate buying $22 worth of fish because I'm just scared that I'm not gonna make them right. Anyways, I got some avocados, got some garlic, some heavy cream because it's gonna be for my salmon recipe. Got some oranges, I love oranges. And then lastly, we got a lemon and an onion. So that is everything for my grocery haul, the first grocery haul of 2020. Get excited. I am, because I spent $100. So. Love that. And I'm gonna put all this stuff away and make myself these little guys. Okay, bye. Okay, quickly, I just got this quote. I get these like automated text messages from this girl named Lindsay Ahrens, and she has like a podcast that's really good and just an Instagram and stuff like that. But she sends out these texts to everybody that's on her list, and I just wanted to read it because it honestly, like, it's really nice. So this is gonna be for every one of you guys if you are struggling or anything like that, going through something, because we're all going through something. This is for all of you guys and for myself. It says, say this: I am brilliant, I am talented, I am imaginative, I am a good steward of the resources and talents I have been given. As I work hard, stay committed, and remain persistent in my faith, I will see everything I touch flourish and prosper in this world. So, I just thought that was really nice and something I needed to hear. So I'm just gonna think on that as I put away my groceries. And you know, not every day is gonna be a good day. I will say that. Like some days, I don't know, some days are just not good. It's okay. Like you can go to sleep, wake up, and you have a brand new day. That is what is good about a new day. It's gonna be fine. Anyways, okay, I gotta put away this $22 salmon before it goes bad. This honestly tastes like a Jolly Rancher, but it's also pretty strong. Overall, I actually really like this. So I'm just waiting for my friend Daisy to come over. We're gonna be watching The Bachelor. I'm really excited because apparently this season's gonna be really good. So I just poured myself a glass. I am just finishing doing some editing, and then we're gonna have a chill wine and Bachelor night. So I'm really excited.